Got a beautiful Helen of Troy. And we got 4G. Wife number 1. Suns went down. We got all these damn dogs fired up. Folks, I just give you this is a gentleman across the street. He's skinny as a rail. We share our food with that gentleman. He's certainly appreciative too. He's a real friendly dude, but I think he just lives alone or he's got a buddy back there. I never see any family go visit that cat. I was gonna cook tonight, but here's what happened. I was gonna make spaghetti. I had ground beef, I had onions, garlic, tomatoes, I had everything I needed. But these ladies bought Filipino style spaghetti. Hey ladies, can I get one more drink? Can I get one more? I'm gonna smoke my cigar here. Can I get one more drink? Make it a Jim Beam and Coke with the calamansi. And fill the ice up to the top. Thank you, darling. Fucking Helen of Troy. My God. So, I was gonna make the spaghetti, but what they did is they bought the Filipino style spaghetti sauce. Now there's a huge difference. When you eat spaghetti here in the Philippines, the sauce is like real thin, it's real runny, it's real sweet, and they mix hot dogs. So your spaghetti over here is not gonna taste like any spaghetti you've ever ate unless you're Filipino, unless you've been here. It's a sweet, like thin, runny sauce. Just chopped up hot dogs in there over the noodles. And then they grate a little bit of that, what's it called? Eden? Like cheese? It's a cheese-like substance. It's not real cheese. Folks, it ain't my favorite. All right, it ain't my favorite. I mean, if I'm out and about at a party or a disco, whatever, hell yeah, I'll eat it. And there's some versions that are pretty good, but when I think of spaghetti, I don't think of spaghetti with hot dogs. It's just not my culture. And that sauce is definitely not my culture. It's a totally different sauce. So the versions here, if you taste it, you'd be like, this ain't spaghetti. But here, it is spaghetti. So when I found out they had bought that sauce, I said, you know what, ladies, listen, I'm not cooking. I'm not cooking. You know, Helen of Troy, you go ahead and cook. These fucking dogs. This damn dog right here sits over there and barks all damn. Psst. 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 Hush. Fucking dogs. Anyway, I told her to cook. Just go ahead and cook. You know, I'll eat it, but I'm not doing a cooking show. I'm not putting all my effort into it when, for me, the spaghetti is gonna be fucked up with that style. Let me just say it. It's just not what I was looking for. All right, let them handle it. Let them handle it. Make it sort of the way they want to make it. But I said, look, we're gonna substitute the ground beef for the hot dogs. That's the trade-off, and they agreed to that. So they're gonna have Filipino spaghetti night with ground beef instead of hot dogs. I'm gonna eat it and not complain. Helen.
Yes?
Thank you very much for bringing that drink, and thank you very much for cooking dinner, baby. You're so sweet. Let me zoom in on you. I had some comments today, and a dude said, you know what? I wish I could find a girl like Helen. And she's a great girl, folks. She's a great girl. I'm just wonderful. I just want you to take a look at Helen. Thank you. Yeah?
You want to
See your what? Yeah.
spaghetti?
I'm gonna come in and video it in a minute. Yeah. But just don't eat it all. You saved me some.
Of course.
Okay, baby. Thank you. And thanks for the drink, okay? Thank you very much. And so anyhow, that was a trade-off. I said, look, y'all can make Filipino style spaghetti, but you have to substitute the ground beef for the hot dogs. And then I'll eat it and not complain, but I'm not cooking it. And so that's what we're having tonight. My buddy Dennis sent me a picture. He cooked, you know, Italian style spaghetti with garlic bread. I was like, damn. But anyhow, so I'll give you another look at these bats, their activity here. I don't know if you can see on the iPad, on the iPhone, but I was showing Fatima. She's like, those are birds. I said, no, those are bats. And there's a couple birds over there, but these are bats. And these bats, you know, what do they call them? Insectivores. They fucking eat insects all night. Now, these are sort of the same type of bats that the coronavirus has come from over in China. But these bats actually do us a damn service because look, here on our balcony, there's no bugs. There are no mosquitoes, and you know, if you've lived in this region, there's places where you get fucking eat up by mosquitoes all night. But, you know, living here, there's one right there. There's no mosquitoes, no bugs, other than that couple nights they had those damn, I don't know what it was, swarm of termites or something coming in here. But these bats are out every night, all night, fucking eating insects and keeping my balcony insect free. So it's sort of a love-hate relationship with these fucking bats. Because a goddamn mosquito can come over here and bite me and I got malaria or fucking dengue fever, whatever else. But these bats come along and eat the fuck out of the mosquitoes. Now I'm safe from dengue fever and malaria. And I think that's the good relationship. But if I try to capture one of these motherfuckers and put them in a soup, well, yeah, I'm gonna die by coronaviruses. So you know what the public service message is to the Chinese fucking Communist Party? You and your folks over there, leave these fucking bats alone, motherfuckers. Stop eating these motherfuckers. Stop chasing them down in their caves, drawing blood from these motherfuckers. Just stop it. Let the fucking bats come over here and eat my fucking mosquitoes and keep my fucking balcony clear of insects. And then, you know what? Before the sun comes up, these bastards go back to their cave, wherever the fuck it is. They don't bother me. I don't bother them. And, you know, all day and all night, I ain't got no mosquitoes. They got plenty to eat. I don't got the fucking coronavirus. Because I'm not up in their fucking cave digging them out of there and putting them in a fucking soup, you motherfuckers. Yeah, I'm down on fucking Chinese Communist Party and the Chinese. Because these motherfuckers have caused this pandemic out of incompetence because this shit leaked out of that fucking Wuhan Institute of Virology. And now I'm in fucking prison because of it. My life, your life, everybody's life on the planet has been altered because of the Chinese Communist Party. Xi Jinping, you owe me $5 million, motherfucker. Click that fucking PayPal link down below this video and you fucking pay me my $5 million. That's what you need to do. Alright, enough about the bats. I'm Troy. And this is what we got going down. Baby, why is this two different bowls? Talk us.
This one, no cheese, and then this one, they have cheese.
Okay, so they made this one for me.
Yeah.
Because I told them I didn't want this, what's this called? Eden cheese. Now folks, if you've never tried this, it's up to your personal taste, but this ain't my favorite taste. So she was kind enough to make me a bowl without the cheese. Now this is their bowl with the cheese mixed in. And I'm going to try both just to give it a fair shake. But this ain't my favorite. This ain't no cheese like you've ever tasted if you're from the West. It's a cheese-like processed substance. I don't know. It ain't my favorite.